Hi, I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking and Homestead, and today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy make-ahead breakfast sandwich. Nothing super special, but I'll show you how to throw it together, and I make it the way Mike likes it. What I'll do is I'll make a bunch of these all at once, and then I wrap them up, freeze them, throw them in a freezer bag, and then he takes them into work with them. So if he gets called in early or is on overtime or just needs a snack, he can pull these out of the freezer. They freeze great, they stay good for quite a while, and they only take a minute to pop in the microwave to make later and warm up, so you have a warm breakfast sandwich whenever you want. So I'm going to show you how we make ours, and I make them the way Mike likes them, and we'll get to it. Okay, the main components for the breakfast sandwiches that I'm doing is basically your Thomas's English muffins, and I've got one in the toaster ready to go. I'm using provolone cheese today, but you could use whatever kind you like. A lot of times I'll also use Swiss or Cooper Sharp or whatever you have on hand. I'm doing some Canadian bacon because that's his favorite, but you can use regular bacon, sausage, you know, whatever floats your boat. Let's turn these quick. And when I'm doing these, when I get the Canadian bacon here sliced to do these, I actually do these just a little bit thicker than your regular slice. I also do that too if I'm making eggs Benedict. So get these turned here, get them getting seared, and then of course you need an egg, and I have my egg cooker here. This is just a Pampered Chef egg cooker. I don't cook in plastic in the microwave, so I'm just going to coat the inside with some nonstick spray and crack an egg in there. Poke the yolk. Put my top on, which is vented. Pop this in the microwave. That's enough for that. Put my English muffin down. And the other thing on this, when I was doing the venison cheesesteaks, remember I said I made extra peppers and onions and mushrooms? Well, the reason is because I put them on things like this. This makes the sandwich even better. Okay, my English muffin is done. I slap on a slice of cheese. Then I slap on a slice of Canadian bacon. Then I pull my egg out, my egg cooker. See my egg in there. Just goes on top like this. Then he likes it with just a touch of mayo on the bun, on the other side of the English muffin. A little bit of pepper. We're going to put some of these onions and mushrooms and peppers on here, like this. I'm making a mess. And there we go. That's my breakfast sandwich. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? So, I'll show you. I just wrap these up quick and put them in a bag. So I just take the sandwich, do it like this. See how nice that wraps up? Just like that. Stick her in a bag, and I'll stick a few more in, and that's it. Okay, so I'll put together one more. My English muffin I have toasted. My slice of provolone cheese, and my Canadian bacon, and my other half of English muffin with a smear of mayo. And I confess, if I'm doing these for me, I use ketchup and I don't use mayo. That's just me. But I'm doing these for him. So, my egg. I will say that Pampered Chef egg cooker does a perfect job on this. Like this. And some peppers and onions and mushrooms. Stay on there. Like this. And the top and smush her down. And that's it. And I realized I didn't do the all-important taste test before, so I'll do the all-important taste test for you. Okay, so here it is, up nice and close, so you can see it, all the goodness. And take a bite. That's so good with the peppers and onions and mushrooms. It's like complete. So it's actually a pretty healthy version. And like I said, they freeze great. You can store them away for a rainy day, quick morning when you're on the go and you just want to grab one and go with a cup of coffee. It's the way to go. So easy to make, stores great, freezes great. So that's my make ahead breakfast sandwich. Give it a try. Until next time, bye.